What do you say?
C.
Say, Tegan.
Mom!
Tegan! Ow! You being silly. Ow, don't, that hurts. Tegan. Hey! Tegan. Ow! Hey! First you bite me and now you're headbutting me. What's with this violent child? Hey! Are you being goofy? Oh, are you bouncing on me?
No.
Yes! Oh. Ow! Did you hurt your head? Look at your mosquito bites.
No.
Yeah, do you have mosquito bites in your head?
No.
What'd you play with outside?
The size.
Yeah, did you play with a frog?
Up.
Did you see a frog today, Tegan? Do you see frog?
Fuck.
Whoa, froggy! Hey!
Froggy. Froggy.
Froggy! Did you play with worms?
No.
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 Hey,
No.
what'd you put in your bucket?
It's
Worm? Did you get a lot of them yesterday?
Mother side.
Did you ride the choo-choo today?
No.
With Grandma?
Mom.
And Erica? And Andrew? Andrew. Did you play with Bucky?
Bucky.
Yeah, you
Bucky.
like Bucky.
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 Bucky. Bucky. Bucky. Bucky.
Are you singing?
Bucky.
Yeah.
Bucky.
Whoa. No, you can't see. It's a video. Remember, Tegan?
C.
What do you say?
Peace.
Can you give me a high five? All right. Low five. Low five. What is that?
Baby.
Is it a froggy?
Hi, I'm Leap. Let's sing the alphabet song.
You sing? Sing, Tegan. La 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 la.
W